The education sector has a 50 billion shortfall. Alam naman natin, maraming walang mga classrooms, no? And healthcare remains underfunded, with 1 in 3 Filipinos unable to afford medical care, and climate adaptation receiving less than 1% of the national budget. And on the question kung how are Filipinos faring, the latest Social Weather Station survey said that the self-rated poverty of Filipinos is at 55%. No? This is just to provide a context na ano ba ang nangyayari. Of course, no, we'll have other speakers to discuss about what's happening in the economy and trade and education. But for now, I just provided those data for us to consider where is our money going. Remember, this is taxpayers' money. So we already ordered 3 batches of India-made BrahMos missiles, no? The world's fastest supersonic cruise missiles worth 379 US, well, that's million, no? 379 million US dollars or 19 billion pesos in the Philippines, no? So 2 batches have already been sent, and there's still another batch coming. Okay. So this in the picture is this BrahMos missile. And then of course, this is of much concern to us. The Philippines will be buying 20 F-16 fighter jets worth $5.58 billion, no? So in the next slide, we will see some infographics at what cost to the Filipino people. 20 fighter jets, that's equivalent to 25% of the annual health budget, with the cost of 1 single fighter jet alone could keep the Philippine Children's Medical Center running for more than 7 years. This infographic was prepared by the International Peace Bureau. And next, another comparison, no? The cost of a single fighter jet F-16 could fund 100 national health institutions like the Philippine Institute of Traditional and Alternative Healthcare for 1 year. Okay. So, next slide, please. We also know, of course, no, na ongoing until May 9 ang Balikatan exercise. It is, for now, this 2025, it's the biggest military exercise where a full battle test will be conducted. It involves 17,000 Filipinos and American troops simulating mock invasions on enemy-occupied islands as part of a rehearsal, no? And this is the U.S. mid-range missile Typhoon. This was deployed in the Philippines for the first time in 2024. And what is significant is they said this will be a temporary deployment. But in the next slide, we can see na hindi pa umaalis yung unang missile defense system at nagpadala na sila ng isa pa. There's a second. The U.S. Nemesis missile is also in the Philippines for this Balikatan exercise. So, we can see here, no, the deployment, 2 missile system na ang nandito sa Pilipinas ngayon. And of course, the Philippine military is very happy. They're saying the more, the merrier.